Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the app with the keyboard, which will provide us with the keyboard. So it can be messages, it can be notes, for example, the browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here in this panel, no worries, 3 dots icon, and the settings will appear right here. You can always tap on them, hold them and drag them to this section to have much faster access to them. So as I said, let's enter the settings and the languages are at the very top. So let's enter. And here you can see the list with all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which you can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will for sure find the language you'd like to use. And basically that's all you have to do. So just find it and tap on it. Let me pick Urdu. And of course, depending on the language, sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. And again, depending on the language, you will have some kind of keyboard modes, I would say, keyboard types. So you can pick from 1 up to 5 different keyboard types. And as I said, it depends on the language. So let me show you how to do it. Let's pretend that I just want this mode to apply. So let me tick this option, make it marked, and untick this one. Just by tapping on it, and as you can see, only this kind of graphical option will be applied. Of course, I can pick handwriting also, but let me leave this option and tap on Done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And actually, we will have 2 differences, but currently we've got only one visible, and it is the language key or the globe icon. It will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we can see the second difference, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after tapping on the globe icon, you can see that right now in the spacebar you can see English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you just want to change the language. You don't want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again right here, and we have to have this step, this section. Right here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now we can mark the language. So let me remove Urdu and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, and secondly we cannot see the language key, the globe icon, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.